In this video, I'm installing custom fit seat covers and LED piping. And I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step.
Rise up like a shine up like a shining star.
All right, now that we got it in place, we're gonna take these 3 straps and put them underneath. That way we can go around back and grab them. Okay, so now we come around here and grab the straps.
On my life, on the up, I keep it on the up.
I always like to start with the middle one.
On the up, I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. Through all of these days, stand firm at the top while we live under the stars. I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. On the up, I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up.
All right, make sure you push these back here so that it makes sense at the end so we can connect it. You just push them all the way through. And if you see, we're gonna pull them through right there. Okay, right there and right there. Okay, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna tuck it underneath somewhere.
No matter what the weather, I'll come round on the corner. Gonna shine like it's hot. Or rise like a star. On the up, I keep it on the up.
We got one last thing for the bottom, and that's this. So you want to take this, come around back, and put it under the seat. First, we're gonna unzip the back.
I keep it on the up. 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 If you're ever feeling lost, just remember that you're truly a star. If I ever need you out, just remember that all my life. If you're ever feeling lost, just remember that you're truly a star. If I ever need you out, just remember that you live in my heart. On the up, I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. On the up, I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. Through all of these days, stand firm at the top while we live under the stars. I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. On my life. I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up. I keep it on the up.
We're gonna tie this part down. Got a little strap in there. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that. See right there. We're gonna hook that in. See, I just took that and hooked it in right there. So that'll keep this part tight. Same thing for this side. We're gonna take it and pull it tight underneath. All right, the first thing you want to do is open up the zipper. Remember, don't go over the seatbelt, go around it. All right, seats done. Now let's move on to some LED piping. And this right here is where placement really matters. I know you're enjoying this install video, but I want to take a quick 30-second commercial break before we get into the rear seats. The seat covers you're seeing in this video are from Exclusive Covers USA. We offer custom fit seat covers for many classic cars, modern vehicles, imports, and luxury cars. You can choose from multiple materials like leatherette, suede, and cloth, along with different colors and stitching styles like diamond stitching and hexagon stitching. We also offer LED piping seat covers and even starlight insert seat covers for a next level interior upgrade. Our seat covers also work with heated and cooled seats, so you still keep all your factory features. If you want to upgrade your interior like this, check out the link in the description to see the different options available. Now let's get back to the install. Okay, so I found a 12-volt source right here. Okay, so now we just need to figure out how these panel pieces come apart. Okay, so now we can see the wire right there. So we're gonna tap into the negative and positive. All right, so I got my tester out so I can figure out which one is negative and positive. I tapped into the positive. All right, got everything wired up, plugged it back in. All right, so what we're gonna do now is hook up the LED boxes and then wire them up. So we got these boxes, sometimes they don't come with 8 or 4. So this comes with 8. You know, 4 for the other seat and 4 for this seat. So we already got the other seat wired up. And then we got this. This is the box. And then you got the cigarette lighter, which we're gonna cut and tap into those wires I just showed you, negative and positive. Then this is gonna be for the your app. Okay, so we got right there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we worry about that later. So you see we got 4 of these. 1, move that out the way. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. You grab your piping. You go ahead and cut the stem off a little bit. Just grab that. First you gotta open it up. And we can stick that in. And just screw it tight so it don't move on us. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat that process. You got 2 for the bottom and 2 for the top. Okay, so now we got all 4 connected. So now we just plug them in. Here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is go do the back and I'm gonna show you how to connect them all together. I'm gonna show you all this. So you just take this, cut the head off. And now you got negative and positive. Oh, I got everything hooked up, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide the wires. See, I cut this and extended it, negative and positive. So I'm gonna run that, I hide that. Then I tap that into the other negative and positive. And this is going to the 12-volt source. So pretty much the 12-volt source is plugging into both of these. Of course, we're gonna have it on one color. Customer probably gonna keep it on this. All right, the Bronco is officially done. If you learned something from this install or want to see more custom upholstery, LED seat builds, and DIY install videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And don't leave yet. I've got another install video popping up right here on the left side of the screen. Go check that video out next because we've got a lot more custom interior builds coming soon.